Hello everyone. I'm Karavati, nutritionist and a health coach. Everyone don't like to do the whole body checkup because they have to do a blood test or urine test. I know you don't like to spend the whole day in the hospital, but doing a whole body checkup is very important for everyone. Once in 6 months, it has to be done, so you will know what is there in your body and what precautions you can start taking from now on. But I have a very good quantum analyzer machine which will help you to check your body. It will show you what is present now and what may come further, and you can start your profession. So, what I was telling you about is the quantum magnetic analyzer machine. Is this? This machine helps you to know what is present in your body and what may come further. So, let us see how this will work for you. This is the quantum analyzer machine. Uh, we just use it with the laptop and start fixing it. This is the cord which fixes from the machine, quantum machine, to the laptop. And just fix it for the laptop. There's this. And this is the key thing. It is called as a key. We already have the software installed as that, and this is the key. Only once when you add this one, only the software opens, or else without this key, the software doesn't open. So we are just adding the key for the laptop so the software can open. And this is the cord which we have. We are connecting it to the machine, Reliance analyzer machine. This cord is kept in the hand, so you will start getting the readings, and you will analyze the quantum machine analyzes your whole body. So this is the cord which we have, and here is the software. We are just opening the software in the laptop. You can just see this is the software which is the quantum resonance magnetic analyzer software, and here we will analyze our body. So this testing, in the testing we add the details of the person. Today I will be doing myself, so I'm just adding my name. Then you have to add female or the male. Then add your date of birth. With that you have to add even the height and weight and your mobile number. So once that is done, you're saving it. So once we save it, again you just go for the testing. We click on the testing, so it opens, it starts up. So I am testing myself. So for these there are precautions what you have to take for the testing. When you are testing, the person should not have heart problems. He should not have any heart surgeries done, or any wall, or any the surgeries of the heart. And second one is the person should not have any rod in his body inserted with the accidents or anything like that. If any person is having a rod, you can't do such person's checkup. And third one is you can't do children below 14 years. You should do children only above 14 years. And pregnant ladies are also not to be done. And the main thing is to make less of metals on your body. So we will try to remove few metals from your body so that your metal count is not more. So next what we are doing is we will start it up. So for starting it, I am just starting it, that, and now I am keeping the rod in my hand to start the machine. So you can see that once I started, I just started the second time. So it will start analyzing. Okay. Now you can see uh, here it shows that it is analyzing there, and here you can see the cursor where I am moving. It is showing the parts where it is analyzing. So it takes around uh, less than 90 seconds to know what is present in your body and what may come further, so that you can start taking precaution. So you can see the analyzing is being done, and the radiation which is going here, and the readings are which is being done. So this machine, it uses magnetic quantum analyzer. It analyzes through your magnets which are present in your body, and it shows what and all is present. I will just finish this and I will show you even the report. And the report also is got immediately after this. So you can just see all the parts are being tested. So the testing is finished. You just click OK on that so that it will get saved. And I'm just keeping this rod back to inside that. And then what we do is save it. So once you save this, you get the report. So the report is being generalized. So once it is done, we save the report. So I'm just saving it in the downloads. So save it. Okay, once it is done, you can just now open the your report in the downloads. You can just find it here. Just extract all the content. See, and when you extract, you can see this. There are more than 38 parameters being covered. So, and in this we have a final report also, which we can analyze. So this is the final report. You can see the final report which has been done. So this is the final report which you will get, and you can see it, what is there now, what can be come further, and what are you can analyze further, all will be there. So everything is given in this report. So I being a nutritionist and a health coach, I analyze this report and I will tell you what precautions you can take for this, and start taking precautions and start keeping your body healthy. So the symptoms, whatever disease you are getting, you don't get symptoms until the disease is reached to 80% or more above. Then only you get symptoms. But to avoid all that, so get your checkup done so that you can start taking precautions. Have a healthy and body. And I sign up now. Kalavati here, nutritionist and the dentist. Thank you everyone.